Hi guys, today we're going to be making a paper cobra. All we need is a piece of paper and nothing else. Maybe a piece of pen if you want to draw a face on it. First thing you do is you fold it like an airplane. First thing what you do like an airplane. Like that. Do the same to the other side.
Are you done with grading everything from the last semester?
Yeah.
And then you put this head down in
Last you
here.
didn't like it.
No, it went all right.
But almost to the end of the two pieces of paper. Like this. And you use this piece of paper. And then you put it all the way over here. So that sticker will be making like a triangle. And then this piece will do the same. So like this. Then you flip it over and then fold it halfway. So like this on the front. And then you fold it up.
Then there may be more that if you made them feel like you were interested in the feedback,
And
you
then
made it feel like you were
straightforward
safe,
pointing to the cobra.
then they're more likely to give you maybe bad feedback. Because they view it as
Then draw a face on it, and then you type that you want. One's going to be an angry face.
Where I've talked to people about the feedback we're giving our leaders and company, and people are like, yeah, I just tell them what they want to hear, or I don't do anything at all. I go through it, people go through it in 30
Here's mine.
seconds, instead of they could spend 30 minutes.
Remember to subscribe, hit that bell, and smash the like button. Bye.